Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol AZFL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line annotation right here is coming from. But after today's price movement, the chart definitely needs another update. So good day for the bulls, and as I've said in yesterday's video and will continue to say, as long as the price builds those higher bases as time unfolds, that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see, because higher lows over time, the big picture perspective of the chart is going to take care of itself. And this chart in and of itself continues to prove that point. So let's get a few things updated, and the first bit of updating is just adding in one of the newest areas of support, and this is what I would call the ideal level of support. So going forward, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay up above 0018. Now if the price falls below it, not the end of the world, but so far so good. The price is doing a great job of holding up above it. You can see on a couple different instances here, the bears try to press down below it, but the bulls have been doing a good job. So in the shorter term perspective, 0018, definitely the level that's going to make the bulls, look the most powerful going forward. One little bit of house cleaning I'm going to do is just get rid of this green line down here. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but it's not really relevant. And from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have lines all over the place and risk causing clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. And the other reason, and again, this will be a repeat for those of you that watched yesterday's video, big picture perspective, very easy way to gauge the strength of the overall price movement, and that is in regards to the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. As I said in yesterday's video, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as that purple line continues to move its way upwards, hence moving average, then the price is in full control. So if you want to picture that, purple line as a trend line, and that's why I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people. So if you don't want to draw a trend line, we'll just let that purple line draw this quote-unquote trend line for you. And again, as long as the price stays above it, then the overall chart is still in the bulls' favor. So nice day today. Always good when levels of support are being moved up. And as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases, the chart will just continue to not only get more attractive, but just get that much more powerful. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.